Hello everybody, and welcome to this video on Math Made Simple. In this video, I'm going to be going over dividing and multiplying numbers and decimals by powers of 10. It sounds really hard, but it seriously isn't, and it actually becomes pretty fun once you learn the concept. So let's go. So let's start with this problem, and that is our decimal point. Sorry that the numbers look kind of weird. I'm really sorry. So this looks really hard, and there's a trick to this. So instead of going 10 goes into 6, 0 times, it looks like 6, sorry. 0 times 10 goes into 68, 6 times blah 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 blah, and keep going on. There's an easier way to do it, so let's erase that. And there. So, the way we do this is we erase that decimal point and we remember it's right there. And I switch back to my pen. So, and then we move from our original decimal point. So now we're moving to the left, the number of zeros in the number here. So we have 1 0 because it's 10. If it was 100, that would be 2 zeros, 1,000, 3 zeros, so on and so forth. So we move it one place over, that's your new decimal point. So let's and we can check that on a calculator if you want to get your calculator to start typing in. But I'm actually using IXL as my problem generator, and that's exactly what it says. Alright, now let's multiply. So now let's do, alright, so let's do 100 times 0.41. Sorry, I have to use the loudest keyboard I can find. I like loud keyboards, but sorry, that's against the point. So here's our problem, and this is multiplying. Last time it was dividing. So in dividing, we move that way, but on multiplying, we move that way. So check the number of zeros. So again, zeros. So that's 2 zeros. 1, 2. And times 0.41. So here's our decimal point. 1, 2. So the answer is 41. Check that on IXL. I'm right. Let's do one more. So 9.14 times 10. So, this is just like the last problem I did, except these numbers are flipped, so the 10 is at the end. Doesn't matter. So, same process, 1 0, it's 1 0, and it's multiplication, so we move that way. So, move over one space. So now our final answer would be 91.4. Let's check. So, and that's right. Alright everyone, that's it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. So, if you want more practice with this, I used IXL H.6 in 6th grade math. It's really great practice if you just want to do something, you have free time. I know a lot of you out there don't like IXL. I kind of don't either, but this one's great practice. It's just fun. So that's it for today. Bye.